Hello, my adoring fans. Today I started work nice and early because I had another driving lesson that I needed to be not working for, I guess. Yeah, so tasty breakfast, and then here I am driving off again. I feel like the car feels bigger when I'm in it, but these videos always make it look small. But here I am, I drove off, no stalling this time. No stalling.
Go ahead.
So, well, I mean, I stalled like 5 other times because I had loads of hill starts. I was doing loads of hill starts, but, you know, I think I only had 1 or maybe 2 on flat things. And it wasn't right then. Anyway, then I went off to the office and dumped off the load of goods that Maddie and I had bought for the food bank. Did some work after scoping out what had been dropped there already. But then, in the time that I was at work, which was only half a day, you know, we got another 50% of stuff, so it was very good. You'll see that after this bubble tea. But I was very happy to see the Rixo girlies donating so much coin. Well, not coin, but food. So that was great. Thank you, Rixo girlies. Here is the larger amount. Anyway, then Maddie left the food bank, and I left work, and we went back together. And yeah, it was all fun, all chill. A little bit of a wait on the tube, but otherwise not really a problem. Got back, did a bit more work, and then off we went to basketball. We were meant to be hanging out with my godfather's husband, at basketball, but he overran at the theatre or something, so it was just me and Maddie, but it was fine because it was another no shoulder injury kind of day. So I was all good. No further injuries. Happy. So here we are getting back on the tube on the way back. And then, you know, we're just hanging out, chilling, vibing. Ate some delicious bruschetta. You may notice I've gotten a new obsession. But yeah, there you go. And then I've been playing a bunch of WoW this evening, and now it's like kind of late. So I need to go to bed. Pretty sure Maddie's already asleep, but we'll see. Anyway, I hope you all had a good day. And adieu.